at the Houston Zoo, one of our main conservation projects that happens locally is with sea turtles. So we partner with NOAA, which is a federal organization based in Galveston. And one of the things that we do here at the zoo is our vet clinic will take in any injured or sick sea turtles and provide them medical care.
When turtles at the National Marine Fisheries Turtle Bar need veterinary care, we are their go-to veterinary facility. We have veterinarians on duty 7 days a week, and although I started working with them a long time ago, everybody on the staff is comfortable and able to work with them. Turtles are caught on hook and line by recreational fishermen. They are fishing for whatever game fish there are off the coast, mostly from the jetties, sometimes off of boats. And fishermen may catch a turtle, recognizing it's an endangered species. They bring it in and call the number to have a person from National Marine Fisheries come pick it up. And when they bring it into their turtle care facility, they contact us generally right away and set up an appointment to bring it here to the Houston Zoo for x-rays and assessment. The zoo's about conserving wild animals and their habitats. And if we are right here, we are actually in a place where we can act local and think global. And animals that come and nest here in Galveston, come and feed here in the waters near our city, are actually international migrants. And so by working with local wildlife, we're actually working with international wildlife.
A lot of what the Houston Zoo does is to try and prevent all of these threats to sea turtles. So we assist by putting out fishing line recycling bins on jetties. And this helps to reduce the amount of fishing line that ends up in the water, which is a huge problem for entanglement of fish and birds, but also sharks and sea turtles as well.
Once a month, the Sea Lion staff from the Houston Zoo goes down to the Surfside Jetty and helps clean out the monofilament bins that have been installed by NOAA. We actually have a partnership with NOAA to help them out with this, and we also spend the day cleaning up the jetty, talking to local fishermen as well as people visiting the jetty about what to do in case they encounter an entangled sea turtle, and also how to properly dispose of their fishing line as they're going on trips with their families. The reason why the Sea Lion team decided to get involved with NOAA and their efforts to reduce monofilament was actually a young sea lion pup that came to the Houston Zoo years ago named Astro, and he had scars all over his neck from being entangled, most likely in fishing lines, something like that. And the team here really wanted to try and do whatever they could to help prevent that from happening to other animals in the future. And so we got passionate about it. We started involving it in our shows, going down to the jetty, doing the cleanups, and trying to do as much as we could to help out and spread the word.
So our graphics department has also helped by creating signage that has gone up and down beaches in Galveston and Surfside and Bolivar and across the upper Texas coast, which basically tells the public what to do if they encounter a sea turtle on the beach, whether that sea turtle is nesting or maybe it's sick or injured. It is a number to call to report sea turtles that you find on the beach so that we can go out and actually help those sea turtles. NOAA can respond to those calls and make sure that those sea turtles get the care that they need.
Each week, NOAA covers a pretty large area of Texas coastline, surveying the beaches for sea turtles that have washed ashore. A few of us at the Houston Zoo participate in this effort a couple times a month, and we like to provide whatever assistance we can. The sea turtle survey starts in the Bolivar Peninsula on the beaches, jumps to Galveston, and then they work the beach all the way down to Surfside Jetty, driving the beaches looking for sea turtles that have washed ashore. Sea turtles will wash ashore because they are sick or injured. Some of these injuries result from eating plastic that they mistake for food, a cold sun event where the temperature drops really drastically, or even having hooks in them from accidentally being caught by fishermen. Once the 6 sea turtles are located, we will record the GPS coordinates and create sort of a data log that we can identify hotspots. The sea turtles that need really significant veterinary care will be transported to the Houston Zoo, where our veterinary team will take care of them and administer medication and provide a really comprehensive treatment plan for them so they can eventually be released back into the wild.
So So one of the best parts of working in sea turtle conservation is that we get to partner with NOAA and release sea turtles once they've been rehabilitated and they're ready and healthy to go back into the wild. Oftentimes we get to let the public know that sea turtles are being released, and they'll get to join in watching these animals go back into their wild habitat. Sea turtles are one of the most charismatic species that we have in our area in Houston and Galveston in this part of Texas. And the Houston Zoo is really just one of the organizations that can help, as well as our entire community. So what we do in conjunction with you, using less plastic, switching from plastic bags to reusable bags, as well as plastic water bottles to reusable water bottles, all of those small actions actually do add up to save sea turtles in the wild. And with your help, we can make sure that these sea turtles are around for generations to come.